Good morning. Good morning. There we go. Got it? Teeny was first to arrive on the overnight camera. He was around for a long time, backwards and forwards, eating. Jimmy was next to come over. And on a few occasions, he actually decided to stay in the garden and eat his pieces of chicken. JJ was next to turn up. There wasn't an awful lot of footage last night, so I don't know if the camera isn't picking everything up, but those that did come were there for ages. Teeny then came back again, and Howie turned up. He also took lots of chicken, but his fur is definitely looking a lot better to how it was. And he was the last one that I managed to catch on the overnight camera. However, there was still food left in the morning for the seagulls and magpies. Oh, and I forgot to add yesterday, I didn't go over to Second Chance Fox Rescue because this week we've had too many appointments, so I haven't had time to go over, but hopefully I'll be going back again next week. Come on. Come on. Come on.
No way.
Lunch today is an egg, bacon, mushroom, sliced cheese and tomato ketchup toasted sandwich, along with a nice cup of Yorkshire tea in my Basil mug. So just back from the shops, and this little fella's waiting. JJ, come on then. Come on, my boy. Good boy. You're very early. I was hoping ChipChip would come, but you're first. Oh, hello. It's Teeny as well. Yeah then, Teeny. Come here, babe. Teeny. Oh, is JJ gonna run, so just wait there a second. Here, little fella. Here, Teeny. Oops, sorry. Come on, boys. Teeny. Right, let's do it like this. Put Teeny's there. Right, come back for yours, JJ. Come on. That one. No, not that one. This one. This one. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're going to go for the other one. Well, you've eaten most of that, haven't you? Hold on, Teeny. Hang on, baby. Didn't quite go to plan, but there we go. Let me just put this on your plate. Hold on. Hold on. Let's swap the plates over. Come on then, boys. Come on then. Right, Teeny has gone over there purely because somebody's getting in a car up the road. JJ, come on then. Yeah, after all that, there's a car going to be coming down here in a minute. Oh, for goodness sake. That was hard going. Come on. I swapped the plates round again and he's gone back to that one. He's a bugger. Aren't you? Just means you get all the sandwich. Oh good, he's going to take the chicken. Yay, and then I can put everything on one plate ready for Teeny. Oh, he's dumped the chicken just outside the garden there. You going to take your chicken? Good boy. Well done, mate. Teeny has come back now, so I've just put the remainder of his plate and JJ's plate together, and he's got a full plate. Happy days. there's somebody going to get in a car up the road in a moment. No, he's going to go, I think. And here comes ChipChip. Come on, ChipChip. Chip! Come on, my babe. Come on. Right, let me just move that out the way a second, because I'd like her to have her own plate with her meds in it. Not got quite as much on her plate, hoping that she'll eat the sandwich. Actually, if she comes over, I'll throw it to her. Come on. I don't know if she'll come because of that car. Come on, my baby. Come on. I don't like to throw it on the floor for you, but if you can eat that one piece... You going to eat this one as well? Here, babe. Come on. Come on. That's the piece I need her to eat. Good girl. There we go. Well done, my darling. Let's give you a bit more now, yeah? You ready? Here, Chip. Come on. There we go, Poppet. Come on then, baby girl. Come on. You're in a poor way, aren't you, my baby? What's going on there? It's okay. At least she's had meds, that's one good thing. Pain relief and antibiotic. Well done, darling. Good girl. Come on. Come on, baby girl. It's okay. It's okay. Right, that car is going to come, so she might possibly run. Yeah. Good girl. Chip. Come on, baby. Here. Come on, my babe. Come on. Bless her little heart. You poor little love, aren't you? Yes. Well done. Happy days. Well done, my baby. Where's she gonna go? Teeny's back, but he's giving himself a good rub up against that wall. Come on, mate. Come on. Let's finish that plate off. No, you're going to just take chicken, aren't you? I know. You're not stupid. Well done, mate. It was such a relief that ChipChip's come. They've all come very, very early. I haven't even had or finished cooking my dinner yet, so that's in the oven. Just waiting on Jim, and then would have had a full house with the 4 that actually come in the garden whilst I'm here. Anyway, let's see who comes next, or who comes back next, because I've got no idea at this stage.